And kicks out, stolen. And now, Tolentino tumalumipad. Bagat for 2. The ball. He attacks. Side pin, beating of the window. Bagat for. And here's Arellano. Sa 3. Bang! Sa ilalim. Tagorda. One-on-one. Nakalusot. At na-traffic. Nandito tayo ngayon sa semifinals. Game 2 ng Ilocos Sur para sa laban ng Magsingal versus Santo Domingo. And jump ball. Number 15 versus number 25. First ball possession, Santo Domingo. And pass to number 25, he bump. He fires short. And here's Tolentino, the flash, bounce pass. And he kicks out. Arellano with the drive. He kicks to Tolentino. Corner pass sa 3. Off the mark. Natapikan. And floater shot. Baget. First blood. Number 27. Here's Team Santo Domingo. He is stopped. He passed to number 7. Holds the ball. He dribbled the ball. He attacks. Pass on the inside pin. A beating of the window. Baget. And here's Arellano. Sa 3. Bang! Arellano 3. For the inbound. Number 10. And kicks out. Stolen. And nauna na Tolentino. Tumalumipad. Baget for 2. Looking for the receiver. He passed to number 25. Falling away. And here's Team Magsingal. Drives to the rim. Oop. Kicks out. Tolentino bounce pass. And drives. Pull up J. Baget. Pull up jumper. Baget. Long pass. Tolentino nakakwarta. Baget for 2. And natapikan. And bounce pass. And he fires. Slow good. And good visit. Ito na naman. Nakakwarta ulit. Kumambyo ng kinta. And here's Pakawan. He pass. He drives. He pass on the inside. Number 25 Kumaldag. Oh, and here's Team Magsingal. He pass on the inside. Uses the window. Bagat for. And here you go. Number 11 sa gitna. Tagorda. Pin extra. Pass off the window. Bagat for. And here's Team Magsingal. Acosta. Pass to the middle. Tolentino. Pass to Agbisit. Agbisit sa 3. Bang! Talim. Tagorda. Nakalusot. At na-traffic. And here's Tagorda. Crossover. Iniwan yung bantay. Bumangga. Create space. Bucket for 2. Here's Agbisit. He pass. And he fires. Na good. Rebound. Team Magsingal. Pull up J of the window. Bucket for 2. And here's Tagorda between the legs. He attacks. Backdoor inbound. Tagorda for Santo Domingo. He kicks out. Number 11 receive the ball. Pass back Tagorda. Pull up jumper at the 2-point area. No good. Rebound. Pull up J. Bucket for 2. And that's the end. And here you go. Attacks. Tagorda. Pass on the inside. Pull up jumper. Bucket for 2. Tolentino with the ball. Launches on 3. Short. Rebound. One bounce. Tinabitin. Bucket for 2. And here you go. Ball possession for Santo Domingo. Tagorda. Natapikan. Behind the back dribble. He attacks. Pass on the corner. Drives. Floater shot of the glass. Bucket coming in for Team Magsingal. Arellano, the bounce pass. Pass on the middle. Another extra pass. Won't go. Tips in. Fight for the rebound. And here you go. Arellano drives. Lays. Won't go. And another rebound. And he bounce pass. Wala pa rin. And now, Tagorda for the rebound. And here's Pakawan. He set. Drives. Recover. Pull up jumper. Bucket. And here's Arellano. Arellano. Creating space. He drives. He lays. No good. Rebound and a putback shot. The Pakawan. He passed to number 11 between the legs. Zumizigzag. Nagda-dance-dance. Ball is stolen by Agbisit. Eto na naman. Nakakwarta na naman si Tolentino. Pakawan. He pass. Here's number 28. Off the glass. Bucket. And pass. Na-recover. Agbisit. Pass to Arellano for 3. No was up. No good. And here's Tagorda. Tagorda crossover. Tagorda lays. 31-24 ang score natin. Still mag-single. Up by 7. Stop. Pull-up jumper. Won't go. And here you go. Nabitawan yung bola. Recover. Number 25. Kumaldag. Block. And here's Arellano. And lumusot. And ipas. Dalawa sila sa gitna. Number 27 bumangga. Uy. And here's number 10. Sumisigsag. Stop. Bounce pass. Naagawan. And here's Tolentino again. Kumambyo. Lace. Bucket. And here's number 10. Pass back. Agaw na naman. And a baseball pass. Ito na naman. Nakapigs. Ang ganda pass. And Uso Palpal. Number 28. Natapikan. And pinasa Tolentino. Easy bucket. And here's number 15 Pakawan. Number 25. And 9-point lead. 40 Magsingal. He's also 3. Bang! And here's number 28 to the middle. Kumaldag. Uy! Tal 6. And here you go. Pass to Arellano. Corner pass. Silonches on 3. Bang! Anan! Pakawan sa 3. Bang! Dian! Arellano setting the play. Sumisinyas. Binabalance. Arellano goes with the pick. He attacks. Coach to coach lays. No good. Long pass. Pakawan with the fire. No good. Fires. No good. Rebound Tolentino. Cross pass. Picks. It's no basket. And here's number 11. Arellano. Arellano pass to the corner. And Tolentino stop pull-up jumper. No good. And to the corner. Floater shot. Bucket for 2. And it's number 7. Number 6. Bangales. Bucket is good. And ball is stolen. Eto na naman. Nakakwarta na naman. Good for 2. Tolentino. At nagkakatabigan. Arellano. Tolentino. Pass back. Tolentino. He drags the floater of the glass. No good. Rebound para sa Magsingal na tapikan. And here we go. He lays. Bucket for. And Arellano for setting the play. Tolentino holds the ball. Pass back to Arellano. He launched on 3. Bang! 3. Pakawan for the inbound. And here's Pakawan for 3. Bang! 3 ball. Arellano to number 21. And Tolentino sa 3. Bang! 3 ball. Pakawan. Tagorda. Long pass on the inside. Napatiran. Arellano. To number 1. Pinabitin. Nakapitan. It's number 15. Arellano. It's Tolentino. Arellano. Goes to the corner. Open for 3. Hilon. Too strong. And rebound. Tagorda one-on-one with Arellano. Side step. Reverse lineup. Bucket for 2. Number 16 to the corner. Sa gitna. One bounce. Sa corner. Cross pass. Arellano sa 3. In and out. Tagorda. Tagorda sa 3. One. And here's a visit. He drives. He bounce pass. Off the ball. Pakawan. Tagorda. Pass to Tagorda. Bakit Tagorda? Baseball pass. Nauna na naman. Nakakwarta na naman. Oh! Oh! What a best goal! Ben Arellano. To number 8. Tagorda. Arellano leads. Bakit for 2? And Arellano. He pass to the middle. Another pass. And here you go. Tagorda. Nakapitan sa likod. Pakawan, sa gilid, pull up jumper, no good. Back and forth na rebound. Goes to wrestling. Pakawan. Pakawan. Pass to the corner. Wide open for 3. Short. Rebound. Tangkap sagad. Pinaldagan. Kicks out. Tagorda attack. Quarter. Bakit Tagorda. I-pass, corner pass, 6. Tagorda, pass on the inside. I-fires, wala. Rebound. Pakawan, bounce pass. Side step, inside pass. 6. Wala pa rin. 8. That's it. Isag visit for the rebound. He's on Harry. Ibumangka, tumira, bakit for 2, Agbi. And is Pakawan, pass to the corner. Bang! 3. Taking it easy. Sharing the play. Arellano, attacking the rim, he fires off the glass, bakit for 2. Arellano, Ursulum 1-on-1. Side step floater, bakit for 2. Gorda with the ball. Sumisinyas dito. Tagorda. Spin, corner pass. Pass back, Tagorda. Inside pass, 1 bounce. Nakalusot. Floater, bakit for 2. And here's Arellano. He pass on the middle. He lost the ball. And a low look pass. Reverse layup, bakit for 2. Arellano to number 21. Holding the ball. He pass to number 27. Corner pass sa open sa 3. Bang! 3 point! Na ball possession for Team Magsingal. Number 11, Arellano with the ball. Agbisit sa 3. Bang! 3. And Kumaldag. Floater shot off the glass. Bakit for 2, Tagorda. Yun lang. Dalawa na sila dun. Please, easy 2. And here you go, Pakawan. Cross pass. Another pass sa corner 3. Short. Oop, may foul pa. Backdoor inbound. 40 Magsingal. Tulos tong. Recover by Arellano. Pass to Ursulum. Ursulum to the rim. No good. Pakawan. Pakawan. Pass to number 28 to Pakawan. Pakawan sa 3. Short. Another nakalusot. Easy way in. Easy. Pinasa. Sakto. Here's Agbisit. Asking for a pick. He uses the screen. Pass to the corner. Picks. Drives. Floater. Uy. Backdoor inbound. And ball possession for Team Magsingal. Agbisit setting the play. 2 minutes left on the game clock. Agbisit. Here's Ursulum. Pull up jumper. Bakit? And Ursulum lays. Bakit Ursulum? Long pass. Please, bakit for 2. Santo Domingo. Patrick. 3 points. Down to 7-point lead. Pinasa. Ayun. Reynolds the ball. Dribble the ball. Congratulations, nagtinggal.